Hello, welcome to another Dynamic Do-It-Yourself video. And today I'm going to talk about a do-it-yourself fail. And I'm hoping that this video will help others because this is something that I did to myself that I do not want to wish on anyone. As you can see here, this is an LED UV lamp, and I have recently started giving myself gel manicures. Now you can look at my fingers here. There's no manicure, no gel polish on them, and that's because this is what happened to my hand.
What is that? No, 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 no.
Actually, to tell you the truth, this is better. I got severely sunburned on the backs of my hand, by giving myself a gel manicure using this. Now, for full disclosure, I am very sensitive to the sun. Anyone who knows me knows that I tan, or not even tan, I burn in the sun. And I have like this sensitivity to UV rays. And my husband teased me. He says I'm like a vampire, like I only go out at night. And you know, that's not true. I do go out in the daytime. I run. I make sure I run in the morning so I can avoid when the UV rays are very high. But I'm very, very careful. And some people say, well, just use sunscreen. Well, guess what? I am allergic to most sunscreens. If it isn't the titanium dioxide, that is that white paste that'll make me look, you know, pasty and ghostly, that's the only thing I can use. I can't be around regular sprays and the kind of sunscreens that absorbs into your skin, because those chemicals will actually have me looking like this, like I have been in the sun. Let me show you my other hand. Here's my other hand, and it looks pretty bad. This past weekend, these were blisters, and they were full of pus, and it was just terrible. But you know, like I said, it's the UV that I am having trouble with. And so with these lamps, you know, especially with this one, I thought I would be splitting the difference with LED and UV, but that's not the case. And even though you're under the lamp for only 30 seconds, 60 seconds, it is very powerful and it's very strong for that short amount of time, because you want to cure your nails. Now, I got rid of the color, because what's the point in having beautiful nails when the rest of your hand is jacked up and looking like a burn victim, which I am a burn victim, and I did this to myself. So will I give myself more gel manicures? Yes. Will I give them to myself regularly? Probably not. I will be using, you know, stuff like this. These gloves here are UV shield gloves, okay? And so this is helpful. You see here it has a UPF 50 plus rating, which I think this is wonderful, and when I was thinking about doing this, I should have thought better about it. I should have researched and let what happened to me be a lesson to you. As you do it yourself, do your research, study, figure out if this is going to work for you, if it's going to be healthy for you, and what you can do to help protect yourself, because trust me, it's miserable. So anyway, true confession, hope this helps. If you like what you saw, well, not like if you like seeing me burned like this, but if you like the information that you received here, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and just a warning, if you're going to do it yourself, as far as these gel manicures, protect yourself. And I even think with this, I mean, no offense to Melody Susie, but because of what I experienced, not only will I be wearing these, but I'll probably have a towel over my hands and just have the tips, and like I said, to minimize any damage, because I don't want to have skin cancer. I probably will do this probably once a month, if that. So anyway, until next time.